Hi kids, good morning. Today we are going to do an activity. In last class we saw the blending words and today let us do some activity relating to the blending words. Okay, take page number 78 and let us start doing the activity. Okay, what is this? This is a clock. What is this? This is a clock. What is the correct spelling for clock? Clock. CL. This is the correct answer. Take your pencil and write CL on the dash. Clock. What are the options they have given? CL, PL, FL. Now this is a clock. So write CL on it. CLOCK, clock. What is the spelling for clock? CLOCK, clock. So write CL, clock. Round and right. What is this? This is our national flag. Flag. What is the first option? The first option they have given PL. Flag. This is flag. So this is not the correct answer. What is the next option? Flag. This is also not. This is a flag. So FL is the correct answer. What is the spelling for flag? FLAG. 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 This is a flag. So write FLAG. 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 What is this? This is a flag. So write FLAG on it. What is this? This is a brush. This is a brush. Do you brush your teeth? Yes, we brush our teeth 2 times, morning and evening. Okay, what is the spelling for brush? BOUSH is the spelling. Now they have given COR. COR is not the correct. BOR is the correct answer. So write BORUSH, brush. What is the spelling for brush? BORUSH, brush. Circle BOR and write BOR in the dash. Circle BOR and write BOR. This is brush. What is this? This is a drop. This is a drop. Drop of water. This is a drop. A single drop. So what is the correct spelling for drop? DROP, drop. What is the spelling for drop? DROP, drop. Circle DR. Circle DR and write DROP, DR in the dash. DROP, drop. DROP, drop. This is clock. What is this? This is clock. Round CL and write CL on the dash. This is flag. Round FL and write FL on the dash. This is brush. Round BR and write BR on the dash. This is drop. Round DR and write DROP. And what is this? This is a pond. What is this? This is a pond. What is the spelling for pond? POND, pond. POND, pond. Circle ND and write ND on the dash. Pond. POND, pond. What is this? Nest. What is this? Nest. What is the spelling for nest? NEST, nest. NEST, nest. NEST. Round ST and write ST on the dash. Nest. What is this? This is a gift. This is a gift. Write FT, round FT and write FT on the dash. Round FT and write FT on the dash. Gift. What is this color? Pink. This is a pink color. PINK is the spelling for pink. Repeat the spelling. PINK, pink. Round NK and write NK on the dash. This is pond. This is pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. Repeat. P-O-N-D. Pond. This is nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. This is gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. This is pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. So students, for today's homework, you will complete this activity. Thank you students. Hi kids, good morning. In last class we saw blending words, and today's class we are going to read some sentences. I will read sentences, you will listen what I am reading, and after listening you will repeat. What is the first sentence? Flip the cloth. Flip the cloth. Flip the cloth. Flip the cloth. What do you mean by flip the cloth? Turn the cloth. Turn. Flip means what? Turn. Turn the cloth. Flip the cloth. Flip the cloth. Repeat. Flip the cloth. Flip the cloth. What is the next sentence? Dust the nest. 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 This is a nest and you have to clean the nest. Dust means clean the nest. Clean. What is the other meaning for dust? Dust means clean. Clean the nest. Dust the nest. Dust the nest. Flip the cloth. Dust the nest. Dust the nest. Flip the cloth. What's the next sentence? What is the next sentence? The next sentence is thank the monk. Thank the monk. Thank. Monk is a Buddhist. Thank the monk means in Christians we have fathers. Like that in Buddhists they have monk. Thank the monk. Thank the monk. Flip the cloth. Flip the cloth. Dust the nest. Thank the monk. Repeat. Flip the cloth. Dust the nest. Thank the monk. What is the next? Do you like drum? This is a drum. Bring the 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 drum. Repeat. Bring the drum. Bring the drum. Lend a hand. What is this? Lend a hand. Lend a hand. Lend. Lend a hand. Lend. L-E-N-D. Lend a hand. 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 Lift the gift. Lend a hand means give a hand. Lend means what? Give a hand. Lend a hand. Lend your hand. Lift the gift. Lift. Lift the gift. Lift the gift. Lift the gift. Students, now repeat after me. Flip the cloth. Flip the cloth. Repeat. Flip the cloth. Dust the nest. Dust the nest. Thank the monk. Thank the monk. Bring the drum. Bring the drum. Lend a hand. Lend a hand. Lift the gift. Lift the gift. Flip the cloth. Dust the nest. Thank the monk. Bring the drum. Lend a hand. Lift the gift. Students, for today's homework, you will learn and write each sentences 2 times. Okay? When you learn, spell each word, and when you write, spell each word and write. Okay? Thank you, kids.